What's up everyone? Welcome back here to the Megan Moose channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I'm super excited for today because today is day one of our Seattle adventure, our Seattle summer vacation that we're going on. So in a little bit, in about an hour, Madison and I are going to be picked up and we are going to drive to the Orlando airport to fly out tonight. So I'm super excited for that. We have everything packed and ready to go. So I thought I'd share with you what all I have packed and the final details of what we have to do before we get on going. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I'm going to bring you along on our travel adventures. So it's really nice because we have a direct flight from Orlando to the Seattle airport. It is 6 hours and 5 minutes long is what the itinerary says. So I don't think that we fully understand how long that is until we actually get on the flight, but we've got lots of things to keep ourselves occupied. I've got some videos that I need to edit, some audiobooks. Madison's got some things she's gonna work on. So I'm very excited. We're gonna be flying Alaska. So that's the first time we're gonna be flying with them. And I'm also very excited because usually I fly Spirit whenever I'm going to and from home in Pennsylvania, and we only get one carry-on bag. So I'm very excited to actually have a suitcase here that I can work with this time. So let me show you what all I will be bringing for this trip. So by the looks of it right away, you would probably assume that I am going on a Disney vacation, but we are not. We're going to Seattle. I've got a sweatshirt here for the plane just in case. I'm going to be wearing jeans because you never know if it's going to be chilly on the flight. We've got a suitcase here. Super excited to be using my Mickey and Minnie suitcase here. And then I've got a backpack here that the company Vashi had sent to me. So I'm really excited to see how this backpack works. It is a really nice size. I've got my laptop in there, my GoPro, some video things, other stuff to keep me occupied while on the flight. My wallet and everything, all my liquids are in here. So I'm really excited about the backpack here. And I also have added my new keychain here from Wayne from the VWDW Challenge channel. Very excited to have a little piece of Disney with my bag here. So let's go and check on Madison and see how she's doing. All right, here we are checking on Madison. Madison, are you ready for the trip tonight?
Yes.
Yes? All right, so what are you bringing? I showed off my stuff. What all are you going to be bringing with you?
I'm bringing a backpack for
nice.
my makeup and all my other carry-on essentials like my headphones and
perfect.
my laptop because I have some schoolwork to finish.
Cool.
I'm also taking my suitcase because I have all my clothes in there, and that's about it.
Nice. And what do you plan on doing for 6 hours?
Trying to find things to keep myself busy. I just started Virgin River on Netflix, so
nice.
I have like 12 episodes downloaded, so hopefully that'll last me through the 6 hours.
Cool, and we're sitting by each other, so we can hopefully just bother each other the entire time. And Madison has the aisle seat, so I'm very excited about that, so we can get out if we need to go to the bathroom. So we'll keep you posted. We're going to be leaving in about a half hour here, and we'll see you at the airport. So Madison and I are currently waiting for my friend Sarah to take us to the airport. We really appreciate it, and we're just out here a little bit early, but what do you think about the temperature out, Madison?
It's like 1,000,000 degrees out here, so like waiting is a little hot.
Waiting is a little bit hot. It's a little bit humid. I've got jeans on as well, so yeah, we're just waiting to get in the car. All right, we made it to the airport, and Madison, what do we need to do before going through security?
Get Chick-Fil-A.
We're getting Chick-Fil-A for dinner, so let's get our Chick-Fil-A. Got our food. I got a regular chicken sandwich. We've got fries, and Madison got a nice little 8-piece chicken nugget. So we're gonna eat super quick and then head on into security. Question for you all, do we think this man is real or not? Looks super real, the traveler here. I feel like I'm back at Disney World. Even security is posting their wait times. We made it through security, headed to our gate.
So much off. There's a good chance you didn't.
Just made it to our gate, and good sign, our plane just arrived. Our plane was slightly delayed, so we're delayed like about an hour, I believe. So our plane is here, just gonna wait for them to unboard, and then we should be able to get on. Here's a map of our travel today. Besides flying to Alaska or Hawaii, I don't think we could have gone any farther than this. All right, our group has been called and we are boarding. All right, and here we go, getting on the plane. We made it in our seats. We are 11B and C, but sad, we don't have a window at all. So hopefully no one comes to sit beside us, but we'll see. We were just looking around and it looks like we are literally the only seat that does not have a window. It also doesn't come with TVs on the back of the seat, but it does have spots for chargers, so that'll be nice so I can edit during the flight. But hopefully they'll have some movies on the phone maybe if we can watch. But here we go, getting ready for our 6-hour flight. All right, we are on our way. No one ended up coming to sit by us, so we get a whole row to ourselves. I would show you us taking off, but we have no window, unfortunately, so I'll see you when we are in the air. So, update. I hope that you guys can hear me because we are flying, but it's about an hour into our flight. Things are going really well. I like that Alaska, the airplanes have this nice, like, blue lighting. It's nice because it's not super bright, but it still is lit up enough that you can see things while you're on your plane. It's really nice. I moved over to the window seat here, even though we don't have a window, and I am going to be working on some video editing now, and so we've got the whole row to ourselves here. It's nice we're able to spread out, so I'm going to work on some video editing, see how many videos I can get edited, and then I saw that there are some movies that we can watch here on the plane, so I might watch the Raya and the Last Dragon movie, so we'll keep you posted on the rest of our flight. We have one video edited, very excited about it. It is the video about what snacks you should bring to the Disney parks. And then I also was able to get some snacks here. So we have some Chex Mix and they brought around some Sprite for us. So Madison has some Sprite too. You doing well, Madison? She's doing well just watching a movie. So we're gonna have some snacks and then I'll get back to editing. Alright guys, well, we finally landed here in Seattle. The flight wasn't terrible. The first 2 hours were okay, but then it seemed pretty long after that. I think Madison and I were able to sleep for a little bit of it, and I got 4 videos edited. So I was pretty productive during the flight, so can't complain about that. But we're going to find Mom and Dad now. They're going to pick us up, so we'll let you know when we find them. Alright, here's our ride. Got a fun van for the week. Hey Mom! How are you? Good. She made it! Alright guys, sorry it's been a little bit since we updated you, but we got to our home away. Get back here! We got to our home away from home. Madison and I are in bunk beds. We're in a camper. We'll give you a house tour tomorrow, but thanks for following along on our adventures. Madison, did you enjoy the flight? Oh yeah. It went well, so we made it and we will keep you posted on our adventures. Bye guys.